Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create a history that everyone would want to learn from. First thing first, learn from the history, but only to create one. Reading is just not enough. You need to take actions too. So, I have some notes with me. I have written something I had like to read in front of you. You wish to read history or you wish to create it. The choice is yours. Think about it again. You wish to read history or you wish to create it. The choice is yours. I've written this. And one more thing I have written, I'd like to tell you. Focus on constantly getting better and better in all aspects of your life. Focus on constantly getting better in all aspects of your life. If you do these two things that I just told you, your life will change dramatically. Your life will change so much that you will think, oh God, this is my life now, and what kind of life I was living earlier. Life can improve so much that you can't even imagine. There are so many great things in the world that money can buy, but money can't buy everything. Money can't buy you a life. If you are dying, money can't save you. So, some more things I have written that I would like to tell you. Try to earn money as much as you can, but only to make your life easier, so that you can live a good enough life and create a good life for yourself and your family. The topic for today's video is how to live a good life. And now, the video topics on which I am working currently and the things that I am going to tell you are like this. First thing, exercise is very important. How often do you exercise? You need to exercise regularly in order to live a good life. Good healthy life requires you to move constantly. So exercise as often as you can. Exercise at least 3 to 5 times a week. That's one thing. And about stress, I had like to tell you that life is so much stressful that you cannot skip a single day without feeling stressed. So, do meditation. Channel your stress into something positive. You feel a lot of stress, get a punching bag, punch it a few times. Stress will be gone. One more thing. Eat healthy foods. Eat healthy foods in order to keep yourself healthy. Eat superfoods. Superfoods, what can I tell? Superfoods are foods that provides you super energy, super nutrition. That are superfoods, like dry fruits, like fresh fruits and vegetables. Use it in your food. Use it in your uh, breakfast, lunch, dinner. One more thing. How can you improve your life? Well, you can improve your life by taking actions regularly towards improving it. So, improving your life requires a lot of efforts. Your life doesn't improve in just one day. You have to do it every single day. You have to motivate yourself to do the work every single day, even when you don't feel like doing it. Get back up even after you fail. Bounce back. Learn to bounce back from the failures of your life. Bounce back with a smile. Get back up even after you fail. Just remember what I just said. One more thing. Do you know there are two types of mindset? One is fixed mindset, one is growth mindset. Fixed mindset is that in which people don't want to change anything. They are happy with what is there already in their life. And growth mindset is that in which People are constantly trying to grow themselves, constantly trying to improve their life. So focus on the growth mindset. One more thing, try to be friends with really successful peoples so that you can also become successful. Because when you join the circle of successful peoples, you get so many different ideas of being successful that you can't escape being successful someday of your life. You will definitely be successful one day or another. Today, tomorrow, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or a few years later, you will be successful. You will be successful definitely if you are friends with good, successful people. One more thing, stop pushing yourself too much. Stop pushing yourself too much to do something. Bring it from the heart. Bring the what to bring means bring the wish to do something. The wish to do something should come from your heart. You don't need to push yourself, force yourself to do something. Do it from the heart and the work will be done perfectly. And learn to do deep breathing exercises every single day. This is how you live a good life. The topic for the today's video is how to live a good life. So I am around 10 to 20 points that I have written. I am telling you one by one continuously. In short, how every single point can change your life, how every single point can help you improve your life. Get a good quality sleep of at least 4 to 5 hours, and if you have a lot of time, get a good quality sleep of 6 to 8 hours. It will boost your focus, your concentration, and also cure many health problems, because when you sleep your body repairs itself. So sleep as often as you can, at least 6 to 8 hours every single day, because that's required for your body. Your body needs rest. One more thing, what can we talk about? How to stop being anxious. How to stop being anxious? How to stop being stressful? You can search some things on your own. I don't need to tell you every single thing. So the thing is, I just told you, people are so anxious these days that no matter what you tell, they are not going to listen. People are so much stressed nowadays that no matter what you say, they are not going to follow. So, the thing that will drive you the most in your life should be the power to do something good in your life and in the life of people around you. Have a sense of purpose in yourself, a sense of purpose to do something good, do something big, do something great. And one more thing, do you know, whatever you eat, you become. You might have heard this saying somewhere, you are what you eat. I read it somewhere years ago, you are what you eat. So the thing is, foods affect your body a lot. So eat good foods, eat fresh foods and vegetables, eat, include fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet every single day, because foods affect your body. If you eat good food, your body will be in good shape. Exercise a little bit, be happy, stop feeling stressed, stop feeling anxious, do deep breathing exercises, get a good quality sleep, try to improve your life to the infinite level. Get back up even after you fail. I am summarizing every single point at the end of this video. Get out of the scarcity mindset and try to be friends with really successful peoples, and eat healthy foods. Stop forcing yourself to do something. Bring the wish from the heart and try to improve your fitness levels. You might be fit, you might be healthy, you might be successful, but you can always improve yourself. You can always improve your fitness level, you can always improve your success levels, you can always improve your health levels. So never stop, keep improving yourself constantly, and adopt a healthy lifestyle. That's all for today, and some more points are there, let me tell you. um, you know One last thing, a few points are left. About healthy lifestyle, I was talking, our lifestyle affects our life. So if we have a good lifestyle, if we have a good life routine, our life will improve dramatically. So focus on adopting a healthy lifestyle. A few more points are left that I would like to talk about. In what areas you can develop yourself, recognize it, and start developing yourself in those areas that need improvement. And recognize your own strengths and weaknesses. Improve your strengths, remove your weaknesses. That's what life is all about. And one more thing, expand your mindset as much as you can. If you can expand your mindset, expand the horizons of your mindset. Learn something new every single day. Read a new book, read a new blog, watch a new video, listen a audiobook. And there are lots of many ways in which you can improve yourself. So just think about it and just keep going. And one more thing, there is some form of conversation going in your head all the time. So try to change the conversations in your head. If you could change the conversations in your head, probably you can live a good life. So change the conversations to a positive one, because negative conversations mostly ruin our lives. So positive conversations can create your life, they can help you live a good life. So just focus on living a good life. And one more thing, focus on constantly getting better and better in all aspects of your life. The best days of your life are waiting for you. May you have a happy, healthy, and the best year ahead. That's my wish for you. The best days of your life are waiting for you. May you have a happy, healthy, and the best year ahead. That's my wish for you. And the power of hope is incredible, just like the power of water for the plants. And one more thing, at last, I'd like to tell you. Well, all the points are gone. I've already covered all the points. So let me tell you something. Get committed towards your life, get committed towards your success, get committed towards your health, and try to live a good life as often as possible. Try to make good friends, try to have good conversations with whoever you meet, try to get a good sleep, try to live a good life. This is how you live a good life. The topic for today is how to live a good life. So focus on all the things that I covered. There is a lot of research that's been done to make this video. I did extensive research over the internet. I thought a lot to make a good video, and that's how I made this video. So do watch this video to the fullest and tell me what you think, and I hope this video helps you a lot. That's all. Thank you. End of the message. Thank you. And take care. Take good care of yourself, because you only have one body in which you have to live till you are alive. Feel free with your body. Feel comfortable in your own skin. Free yourself from all the problems of your life and start living a good life from now on. Thank you.